Hi student, it's very important lecture for those who want to know about leveling. We will learn about leveling, rise and fall method, HOC method and two-peg test. How can we get error in our leveling instrument? First we want to know what is leveling. The level instrument defines a horizontal plane at the instrument perpendicular to the gravity at the point. Base datum is mean sea level defined over a long period of time by tide gauges. It's according to Australian, but we already using here this method in Pakistan. So sometimes we use temporary benchmark. It's our leveling instrument, auto level, tripod and staff. How you can make reading on leveling staff. If you want to, now you can watch this video, and here is the method how can you read staff. If you will look at this type of point, so you must need to know these are TBM or permanent benchmarks. Your concept of transferring heights should be clear before fieldwork, that what is backside, what is foreside and what is interside. The first observation on the point with known coordinates will called backside, and the foreside the last observation. Between foreside and between backside will be all reading will be intersides. Here you can make identification between backside, interside and foreside. It's our BM, so the first reading will be backside and the last reading will be foreside, then another all reading will be the intersides. You can see here backside on benchmark and foreside on another side. What will the procedure when we make leveling at site? You can read this book. I will put them into description link. You can download from there. RL should be RL plus backside minus foreside. You can note down these formulas. We already used them. Here we have two methods for booking and calculation related to leveling. The first method is rise and fall and another height of collimation method. Normally we work with height of collimation method in the setting out leveling, but we use rise and fall method mostly for beam shifting, or you can say fly leveling. Here is the rise and fall method with an example which you can make explore. Here we have everything about how you will do it step by step and how you will check arithmetically your bookings calculation that your procedure is fine or not. So you will apply this formula. Sum of backside minus sum of foreside should be equal to sum of rises and sum of falls, and should be equal to last RL minus first RL. Here we have another method, height of collimation, which we use normally at site. You can explore with this exercise. It's step by step calculation which will make you clear for height of collimation method. How you can disclose calculations how you can adjust them. Here is the method and how you can find misclosure limits. Normally many surveyors don't know about this procedure, so you must need to know about standards which you are using at your sites. Arithmetic check, and at the end of this lecture you will read about two backtests. Two backtests we use to find the error in our line of collimation of auto level. How you can do this? Here is the method. 2 points and on 100 meter away from each other, you will put first time your instrument in the mid of these 2 points and take 2 reading. Then again setup 2, you will put your instrument at the back side of any one point and make 2 readings. Then the first reading, 2 reading, difference of first 2 reading should be equal to difference of last 2 readings. If they have little difference, then it's your error in your line of collimation. Hope you like this video. If you want to download this book, please